Hello everyone, it is Neka from NnekaByNature, and today we are going to be doing a try-on haul featuring Harvey times the naked wardrobe and some goodies that I got from SHEIN. And before I start, I do want to say that I am 5'2" with the measurements of a 34, 26, 38.5, and don't forget the 0.5. So everything that I do have here today is in a size small, unless otherwise said. So everything just came in this standard Nordstrom packaging right here, and it also was individually wrapped, which was nice because that's one of my biggest pet peeves when companies just throw stuff all together. So I'm glad that Nordstrom did not do that. But this is the first item that I have, and of course I had to go with my standard black. Anyone who knows me knows that it's my favorite color to wear, and it's the first thing that I always gravitate towards when buying anything. So had to start off with a nice pair of black fleece sweatpants. These are also kind of like the jogger style, given that the bottoms are actually cinched. There's also an elastic band on the waist part as well. And then we have the cute little card. And then on the inside we have a clear kind of packaging. These sweatpants, when I put them on, were very warm. Like, you definitely can feel the whole aspect of them being not only a sweatpant but a fleece sweatpant, so there's definitely good insulation there. The drawstrings are very standard, and they do have like a stitched layover pattern on the front. I would say definitely be careful when you do decide to wash these, because I've had bad experiences with sweatpants where the actual drawstrings have gone into the wash and then like scooted all the way back, like slid all the way back inside of the sweats, and then I wasn't able to tie them at the waist. So I would say definitely be careful with that. I picked up everything in a small, as mentioned before, and I actually think that I'm going to downsize. I really just need to go to my local Nordstrom to try on the extra small, because your girl lost some inches last semester during finals, and the smalls, it was a little bit bigger on me. I do like things sometimes be a little baggy, but I did want these to be a little bit tighter, so I think I'm going to downsize. The next item that I got is definitely one of my favorites because it's my second favorite color to wear, and that would have to be nudes and browns and just neutrals as a whole. This is giving me iced mocha, iced chestnut type of color, and again it follows the same theme of being a jogger sweatpants. These again also feel very warm, and the insulation factor is very good on these sweatpants. And the inside has the same tag, and you can honestly just see like the whole fleece vibe there. So that was definitely a great touch to add to the sweatpants, especially since they're not the most expensive sweatpant that you could have gotten in your life, obviously, but they are $56, which is kind of like that mid-range, not really high-end at all, but it's more expensive than sweatpants from other retailers. And I do love the fact that both sweatpants have pockets, because most times when I'm wearing joggers or sweatpants, I'm running errands, I'm having those chill vibes, so that's definitely a necessity for me when it comes to sweats, so I'm glad they came through. And yeah, I love the embroidered stitching that says LH. It's a really nice touch. And these are definitely cute. You will see that they are a little big on me, so again I will likely go down to an extra small, but I just need to go to Nordstrom and try them on before I make any permanent decisions, so we shall see. Now we're going to go on to the SHEIN items, since we only had 2 pairs of sweats from the Harvey collection. But this is the first blouse, and it's a very cute crop top that kind of has these pearl inspired buttons down below. And the little polka dots, so to speak, are giving me kind of like that ostrich Birkin bag aesthetic, since they're very like textured circular little dots or embellishments on the blouse. There is an additional layer underneath the shirt in the front, but on the back it's giving us a little bit see-through, which is really cute. So you do want to be aware of what type of undergarments you wear, since it definitely will show up. And now we have our next item, and she is giving us Hillary Banks, okay, with a capital H and a capital B, because this is really cute tweed type of set that has a blazer and a skirt combination, and then some faux pearl buttons just to add that nice pretty bougie little flair to it. The jacket has like kind of like a shredded design on the actual sides of the blazer and along the collar, so it adds a little bit of a distressed look, which is really nice. It fits pretty well, and it's not very thin either, which surprised me. I wasn't expecting it to be exceptionally heavy like a true tweed or a true peacoat inspired blazer, but okay, it wasn't thin either, so that made me very happy. The other thing that's inside of it would have to be the cute little skirt. It's not necessarily a true mini skirt, given that it's maybe only 1 inch below my fingertip length. Again, I am 5'2", and this skirt is in a small. I do like what they're doing with this, and the zippers on the side, so it's just great in general, and it feels pretty good. I was, again, very pleasantly surprised with the quality of the items. And the last few items are, of course, my favorite color to wear, and that would have to be black, as said before, but they're also faux leather, but they look like leather. So in general, the whole leather vibe is another favorite of mine, so I'm so happy. This is the first item that we have, and it's actually giving us a peplum kind of button-up jacket. Super cute. It's nice and scrunched at the waist, if you all can see that detail. And then on the forearm of the jacket, it's ruched. Like, it literally is ruched and sewn in a manner that allows the top to be giving us those bigger kind of almost shoulder pad looking sleeves without the shoulder pads. So, and then the next item that we have today is another jacket, but this one is a bit less structured and less form-fitting. It is a standard long blazer jacket here. It also comes equipped with a cute little drawstring back here, so in case you want to tie it. If you're my height or shorter, you actually can even wear this as a blazer dress. So that was another reason why I bought this, because the ability for it to be worn in many different ways. And a 3-in-1, like, what's up? That was just like a great feature about this. Next up, I have a pair of pants, and this would have to be a pair of the high-waisted, no pockets in the front pants that SHEIN has on their website. I wasn't too mad about the lack of pockets in the front, only because bam, there are pockets in the back. It's also very easy to get into these jeans. Like, I did have to still jump to get into them, but nonetheless, they're super cute. Not the hardest to get into, and I also just love the matte black button on the front, as well as zipper. Like, it's really the little details for me. I just love stuff like that. Last but certainly not least, I have another pair of pants, and these ones are pretty shiny, as you can see. I really love these ones because they're just kind of like an easygoing type of pants, given that there are no buttons that you have to worry about or anything of that nature. All that they have is a zipper right here on the side. These pants are not that stretchy. Like, they're not exceptionally tight or constricting, but they're also not that stretchy. So I did order them in a medium because my bottom half, like, I'm pear-shaped, so my bottom half is definitely noticeably bigger than my top half, so I did need a little bit more room. Another cool thing about them is they are so long. So if you're tall, these are it for you. And that was my last item, so I do want to thank you all so much for watching. So comment, like, and subscribe so that you can be notified once it is uploaded. Bye everyone.